Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Bea, and on today's video I am going to be sharing with you an Hermès unboxing. I'm very excited, you guys, and I wanted to share these items with you. Actually, none of these items were on my wish list, but this was something that my SA offered to me and I wanted to give it a try. So without further ado, let's jump into this video. Okay, so I'm gonna start with the smallest item that I got, and it is, you know what it is. It is a Twilly, and here it is. It's very, very beautiful. I think this one goes really, really good with my Birkin 25. I love the colors. It has a little bit of brown, a little bit of pink and beige. And also I really like this side of the Twilly. It is like white and a little bit of beige dots. So yes, this is the first item that I got, and I'm going to show you how this one looks on my Birkin as well. So let's put it over here and let's move on to the most exciting part of this video, which is going to be in here. So please comment in the section down below if you have any guesses. And yeah, I would love to read all of your comments, you guys. So here it is. The beautiful orange box. Here's a proof of purchase. It came with this booklet, and to reveal, it is in here, and it's this beautiful Evelyne in a taupe color with gold hardware. This is the smaller size. I think it's TPM Evelyne, I think that's the name of it. And here comes the strap, and this one comes in navy blue. So here it is. This is like a fabric strap. I would rather it to be in the same color, like in the taupe. I'm gonna remove the stickers now. So there you go. It says Hermès Paris, made in France over there. And this is an all leather bag. It doesn't have any pockets in there. It's a very small bag and I love it. You have no idea how delicious this leather feels. I also like that it has a contrast stitching in white. And this bag, I was not very sure because I think it's very, very casual. I really like the look of it, but I think it's a very casual style. So I'm not sure if it will suit my style, but I'm willing to experiment and try different things. So here is how it looks with the strap. The strap, it's very long for me because I'm very short. I'm 5 feet tall, so pretty short. I was watching some YouTube videos on how to shorten the strap, and I'm going to show you which ones I prefer. So one of the ways you can shorten the strap, of course, is just making a knot. But you can do it like this, so the knot will be on your back and your hair can, you know, cover that knot. You can also make double knot. Here it will sit like here when I crossbody the bag. And I'm going to show you which one I really, really liked. Sorry guys, I had to change location, but I'm here. Okay, so I'm going to show you which ways I really like how this one looks, and it's perfect for my size. So you just hook both of these in one of the rings, and then there are two options. Okay, so the first option will be, I have this pom-pom, so I will remove this ring here. I'm pretty sure you can find something like this on Amazon. And you just put the ring here and attach it to this ring over here. So this way you will shorten the strap to use it as a shoulder bag like this, and I really like it. And of course, what I like the most about this is, for example, I have this other Twilly over here that I think this one goes really well with these colors. And you just make a knot here. I prefer how it looks like this instead of a bow like that. So this way, you just put the bag like this and you have the beautiful Twilly hanging over there. I really like this way. So this is the second way you can shorten the strap. And if you don't have this ring, you can also do it just with the Twilly. I'm going to show you how. For the ring, because I think this way it's more like secure, right? Okay, so basically you just use your Twilly to attach the strap to the ring. You maybe can do a double knot here, and there you go. It's the same thing, like that, and it's like a shoulder bag. Of course, you can also buy different like rings you can add to shorten the strap, but this is like the easier way to do it, and I really like how it looks. If you want to use it as a crossbody, then you just knot the strap, or you can also change the strap for another one that is shorter, or maybe a chain strap. You can do a lot of things, and you can actually change the look of the bag. This one I really like because I think it's casual, still casual, but it's nice and feminine, I think. And I would also like to show you how much this one fits. I don't know, guys, I love it so far. The leather feels so amazing. And I think it's a perfect bag for every day, for running errands, for traveling, because it's a very easy bag in my opinion. So I'm going to show you how much this one fits. So today I'm using my Goyard Saint Louis tote. So I'm going to put some of the things that I have here in here, like my basics. So for example, I would definitely take with me my mini pochette as a catch-all, and this one fits perfectly in here. I always carry a small wallet. This is actually my favorite, and most of the time I am using this one. So there you go. The leather is very soft, so you can stretch it, of course. You could use another catch-all which is smaller maybe. So this is my ring key holder, and I use it every single day. So there you go. It's a little bit bulky, but I'm sure you can put also your phone and maybe your sunnies on top. It's starting to look a little bit bulky, and you just close it like this. So all of that can fit perfectly in this bag. You still have a little bit of room on top, but you know what, for smaller bags maybe I wouldn't take this one with me. So when I'm carrying smaller bags, I maybe just take a lipstick and maybe like a peppermint spray and just put it like in here, and I think it's so much better. You still have room for other things, sunnies, phone, and it's not feeling so bulky. So this is the way that I would carry it. But if you like, you can also put this one inside just for reference. So there you go. I just love it. I think it's super cute, and I'm actually thinking now to add it in the gold color with the same color strap and gold hardware. You know, those are my favorite colors from Hermès. So this is the way it looks. I'm gonna add some mud shots for you guys, and I also wanted to show you how beautiful my Twilly looks on my Birkin 25. I'm not very good at doing this, but I really like the colorway and how it contrasts with the gold color. So yeah, I would definitely use it like this, because you know what, this color is so similar to this one. So this is the way it looks, and I absolutely love it, you guys. So what do you guys think? Let me know your thoughts on this bag, if it suits my style. First, I was a little bit hesitant because of the color of the strap. I'm not so much into navy blue, but I do wear a lot of jeans, so I think it goes very well with a casual outfit like the one that I'm wearing right now. You know, simple top in a neutral color. This is like an off-white, and this is very deep navy blue, so it almost looks like black, but I think it goes really well with jeans, as I said. And yeah, there you go. think I'm in love with it. I think this is going to be my most used Hermès bag because it's actually the most casual. So yeah, guys, that would be all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you like this video, and please subscribe to my channel and also click on the notification bell so that you get notified every single time I upload a video. And see you to my next one. Bye guys.